Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 5.1 question number 5. The number of hours for which students of a particular class watched television during holidays is shown through the given graph. Answer the following. For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? Number 2. How many students watched TV for less than 4 hours? And how many students spend more than 5 hours in watching TV? First of all, let us study the graph and we are writing the answers here. Number one. The question is for how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? Here you see maximum number of this is the number of students 32, and that is 4 to 5 hours, right? From the graph it can be observed that the maximum number of students number one from the graph it can be observed from the graph it can be observed it can be observed that the maximum number of students maximum number of students maximum number of students that is 32 watch TV for 4 to 5 hours. Watch TV for 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is how many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? Less than 4, that means this group, and this group, right? Right. That means the groups, the students who watch TV, the students who the students who watched TV the students who watched TV the students who watched TV for less than 4 hours are the students are the students who watch TV for 1 to 2 hours. This group 1 to 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and 3 to 4 hours. Therefore, total number of students is equal to, for this group it is 4, for this group it is 8, and for this group it is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. 34. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, how many students spend more than 5 hours in watching TV? More than 5 hours. More than 5 hours means this group and this group. Right? The students the students who watch who watch who watch more than 5 hours, more than 5 hours, more than 5 hours, more than 5 hours are the students are the students are the students who watch the students watch who watch 5 to 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours and 6 to 7 hours, 5 to 6 hours and 6 to 7 hours and 6 to 7 hours. The total number of students is equal to total number of students is equal to 8 plus 6, that is 14. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14 students. Right? Again we are repeating, that is how many hours did the maximum number of students watch? Maximum number of students 32 and they watch 4 to 5 hours. This group, right? And how many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? For less than 4, means this group and this group, right? That means 4, 8 and 22, that is 34. And how many students spend more than 5 hours in watching TV? That is this group and this group. That is 5 to 6 hours and 6 to 7 hours, that is 8 plus 6 is 14. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.